Hi all, this is Dr. Avni Rajadhyaksha. I am the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing. This video is all about managing your weight the spiritual way. I generally do not prefer the word weight loss or weight reduction. We also believe in affirmations. We also believe in the phonetics of the word that we say. So loss is losing something. I do not prefer that word. So we use the word weight management. Okay, but what is weight management the spiritual way? So we have tried all sorts of diets. We have tried all sorts of exercises. Still, there is no benefit, or still there is little benefit. So we have many such cases. I know you all have tried a lot. Keto, you've tried different types of salad diets, or maybe vegan diets, or maybe pranic diets, or maybe many diets. And why didn't it work? You never thought about, first of all, why did you put on weight emotionally? Okay, so what was your emotional aspect when you put on this weight? Have you ever thought why women put on weight after their marriage? Generally, we see that women put on weight. These days, both of them put on weight after their marriage. But the emotional reason here is one woman against a new community, against new set of people, and she really internally, subconsciously, maybe not consciously she seems very happy, and we all say that, oh, she's so happy and she's put on weight. But internally, subconsciously, you feel very insecure in a new home, and to secure yourself, you start putting on weight. Okay, this is the emotional reason. So there are many emotional reasons why we put on weight. Men, women, anyone. Many a times, this has happened with me. I used to be 31 kgs when I got married. 31, imagine. And that weight was because I never wanted to get noticed. So I was skinny. I was only skin and bones because I never wanted to get noticed. No one should notice me for my emotional reasons. And then when I got married, I was really very happy, and then now I wanted to get noticed. And then after my marriage, I did my doctorate, I did my MD, I got my PhD, and I was so very happy that I really wanted to get noticed. Then I put on weight, and then reducing that, losing that in your words. In my words, managing that weight was such a difficult task. Yes, we have all reasons like, I got delivered, I delivered a baby, I got PCOD, I got cyst, I got XYZ hormones and XYZ, fine, whatever it is, but still your emotions were not taken care of. And I felt that being 31 kgs is not a very powerful thing. So internally, when I took my case, when I thought about it emotionally, when I introspected, I came to know that I have put on weight because I feel very powerful. And when I worked on that power was the time that I could manage my weight this time, not even 31, but I could manage it to the correct height and the weight ratio. So there are many reasons why we emotionally put on weight. See, here I am not claiming that I will be the person to give you diets, or I will be the person to give you exercises wherein, within a second your weight will just get managed. That's not what I'm claiming here. What I'm claiming here is why we, and mutually, you and me, why we are not catering to your personal emotional reasons. Let us first remove the emotional baggage here. If you really want to lose anything, just lose these unwanted emotions. And then when you hit the gym, or then when you do a certain diet which you believe in, it will definitely come into manifestation, and you will really be very glowy, very beautiful, and this will be a very healthy way to manage your weight. Have you ever thought why our generation of women have most of the PCOD or PCOS? What we call it the yin yang imbalance. All right, so we are out there to work, we are out there to do all masculine things which earlier men used to do. No offenses, I do not say this is wrong, But this is the time that we prolong our productivity to bear a child, the creativity to bear a child. And when we prolong, our brain also has to give signals and has to give reasons why to prolong this. There should be some reason that the brain and the organs understand. So this is how our organ starts creating a lot. I will explain this in much detail when you talk to me one-on-one. So we are taking appointments. The details are being given in the text with this video. Please meet me, okay? Please talk to me. There is a certain way that I take case. There's a certain way where I will tell you what is your root. It could be anger, it could be insecurity, it could be resentment, it could be even in Hindi या in Marathi हम बोलते थे तो रूट के फूक गई है, फूक के बैठ गई है. So there are so many reasons कि ऐसा कुछ भी हो सकता है, आपके मामले में कुछ भी हो सकता है. Everybody different reason. So I will help you find out that reason. We'll share that emotional baggage, we'll share that emotional weight, and I guarantee you that everything will fall in place for you. You will be as beautiful but in a spiritual way. Thank you so much for listening to me, and definitely I am waiting here to meet you all one-on-one. These will be dedicated appointments, mind you. So please call us on 7045349280 and on the given numbers and have one-on-one appointments with me, Dr. Avni Rajatheksha. Thank you. Thanks a lot for listening to me.